Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by choosing how you will run YouTube on your TV. Use a smart TV app or a streaming device like Chromecast or Roku to run YouTube. Check your TV's input and internet methods before proceeding. Wired HDMI directly connects a laptop or console for instant YouTube playback on TV. Mobilecast uses the YouTube app and a Wi-Fi too. 4 or 5 GHz network to stream. Older TVs may need an HDMI adapter or an external player for compatibility. Power on the TV and open the YouTube app from the Apps menu. Open the YouTube app on your TV and sign in with your Google account for subscriptions. If the TV shows an activation code, visit YouTube.com/activate on a phone or computer. Use the TV code shown at YouTube.com/activate to link an account quickly. After signing in, open Settings and check playback quality. Enable 4K or 1080p playback in Settings if your TV and connection support it. Control YouTube playback with your TV remote, game controller, or a paired phone. Use your phone as a remote by tapping the cast icon in the YouTube app to control playback. If videos buffer or fail, restart the YouTube app and your router to refresh the connection. Restart the app or router if videos buffer. Test by running a 1080p clip for 30 seconds. For better sound, use HDMI ARC for soundbars or pair Bluetooth headphones with the TV. Keep the app updated to use the latest features and bug.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.